Hey guys, it's me Dani. Welcome back to Sunny Days AG. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make doll flower crowns. I love these so much. They are the perfect summer accessory for your dolls, and they are really simple and really fun to make. And with that, let's get into the video. I started by cutting my wire to be 13 inches long, then bending it into a circle. Next, I'm taking some floral tape and I'm wrapping it around my wire from one end to the other. Once you get to the end, you're going to overlap the two ends of the wire about 1 inch and wrap more tape around that so that it doesn't come undone. And I actually ended up going around the whole ring one more time just so that when we attach the flowers, the glue has more to hold on to. Now comes the fun part. Be sure you have parchment paper laid out so hot glue doesn't get all over your table. And you're just going to start gluing on all of your flowers. This is where you can get really creative with it. You can do all kinds of flowers, you can do leaves, you can do anything you want with it, and it is really fun. And here's how it turned out. I love this shade of purple. It is so pretty, and I love how small the flowers are. They're so cute. I also did one in blue, and I love how it looks with Brie's hair. I did one with red roses, and I added some leaves for this one. And I also did white roses with leaves. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!